appear that we have an interloper visiting the garden today.
What's that in there then, Moo?
You tell me. I'm not impressed. I was gonna have a drink. And I'm not gonna drink it out of that now. Don't know what it's done in there.
Tastes like chicken.
Chicken, you say? Don't like noisy food.
It is a little noisy for my taste, too.
Do you mind? I'm trying to have a bath here. Do you mind not drinking all the bath water until I've finished?
Well, excuse me.
And as we can see,
How about buggering off?
our new visitor to the bird bath isn't keen on sharing it.
It is a bird bath, not a dog bath. But having said that, this ginger one here, she's a bit whiffy.
Blowing cheek.